Every year, I cover my windows with bubble wrap. At first, my neighbors laughed at me, but once they learned the reason, they started doing it too. It turns out bubble wrap has many hidden uses, aside from being a satisfying stress reliever. If the air pockets are intact, it can significantly lower heating costs by reducing heat loss by up to 50%. All you need is a piece of bubble wrap cut to the size of your window and a spray bottle filled with water. Clean the glass, spray it with water, and press the bubble side of the wrap directly onto the wet surface. The wrap will stick on its own. No glue or tape needed. For extra security, you can tape the edges to the window frame, but it's not essential. This trick works wonders for single-pane windows, basements, attics, greenhouses, and even some double-glazed windows. It's a simple, reusable solution that doesn't lose its insulating properties. You can remove the wrap anytime and reapply it, for example, on especially cold nights. Bubble wrap insulation has been proven effective in keeping rooms warm and reducing energy bills. Gardeners often use it in greenhouses, where it can cut heat loss by 30% and raise the temperature inside by up to 2 degrees Celsius. Over time, you can collect bubble wrap from packages to use for this purpose, making it a sustainable and cost-effective way to stay warm. You might save hundreds of dollars during a single heating season with this simple trick. Place a banknote in the window to check your mode. It could save you from high bills. Your window has summer and winter modes, and adjusting the screw controls how tightly the window sash presses against the frame. In winter mode, the banknote will be pinched, while in summer mode, you can easily pull it out. Increase the pressure in winter to keep the heat in and lower heating costs. Place a towel on the windowsill, and you'll lower your heating bills. Open the window and attach a bath towel to the window frame. Close the window and roll the towel so it tightly fills the gap along the seals. This way, icy wind has no way of getting inside. Drafts are effectively blocked, preventing heat from escaping the room. Instead of buying expensive weather stripping, use this simple trick. You've been using your radiator wrong your whole life, and it can seriously cost you money. A lot of people turn the heating on and immediately set the dial to 5. They think the radiator will warm up faster that way. But that's not true. No matter what number you choose, the radiator won't heat the room any quicker. That's why, if you're wondering how to set your radiator without overpaying and how to lower your heating bills, you need to understand one important thing. Many people don't actually know what the numbers on the radiator mean. The snowflake symbol is frost protection mode. The radiator will only switch on if the temperature drops very low. 1 is around 55 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 is about 61 degrees. 3 is around 68 degrees, which is usually the most comfortable temperature at home. 4 is about 75 degrees, and 5 can be as high as 82 degrees. People often assume the higher the number, the faster it gets warm. But this dial doesn't speed up heating, it only sets the target room temperature. And that's why setting it to 5 is often a huge mistake. The radiator will keep running until the room feels almost like a sauna. In most homes, nobody needs it that hot, and your bills can shoot up fast. If you want warmth without wasting money, 3 is more than enough. Place the insulating foil against the radiator. Trim any excess if it's too big, then slide it between the radiator and the wall so it fits tightly. And that's it. The heat emitted by the radiator is trapped by the foil and reflected back into the room. This helps you save on heating bills while enjoying comfortable warmth throughout the house. All it takes is one simple thing, and you can forget about scraping your windshield in the morning. Cut a piece of bubble wrap to fit the glass. Place it on the outside of the windshield so it lies flat and covers the entire surface. If it's a bit larger, secure the edges with the car doors so it doesn't move. In the morning, you remove it in seconds and drive off quickly. No scraping and no need to buy expensive windshield covers. Every morning, I take a thermos with me in the car. An absolute lifesaver in winter. This simple trick is not only effective, but also saves time and effort, especially on freezing mornings. All you need is a Ziploc bag filled with very warm water and sealed tightly to prevent leaks. Instead of spending long minutes scraping ice off your windshield, which can be exhausting and even damage the glass, Simply glide the warm water-filled bag over the frozen surface. The ice melts instantly, saving you from using uncomfortable scrapers or expensive chemical de-icers. The best part? The bag works with precision. You can literally see the ice disappear upon contact with the warmth. Move it gently from top to bottom for an even melt across the entire windshield. Within minutes, your car windows are clear and ready for the road. This hack is a game changer for anyone who has little time in the morning and wants a quick, hassle-free solution. Have you tried it before? In winter, I tape newspaper to my window. My neighbors laughed at me until they saw my heating bills. Newspaper is one of the most underrated items and often goes straight into the trash, but it can actually be used in a very practical way. First, unfold the newspaper and attach another sheet to it. Then, tape the whole thing to the window frame, pressing it firmly in place. One newspaper may not be enough, so keep adding sheets until the entire window is fully covered. The thicker the layer of newspaper, the better the insulation and the less cold air gets in. This creates an extra barrier that helps keep the heat inside the room. The second method works just as well. Open the window and stuff rolled up newspapers into the gaps. If the gaps are larger, add more newspaper to fill them completely. Then close the window so the newspaper is tightly pressed in place. The newspaper layer acts as a simple form of insulation, trapping air between the window and the interior. This prevents icy wind from getting inside and stops heat from escaping. As a result, heating bills can be lower. It's a quick solution you can do immediately with no extra cost. Instead of throwing it away, place it under your window. Your bills will be lower. Take some aluminum foil from your kitchen and tear off a piece. Press it gently onto the window frame and smooth it out. Once everything's in place, close the window so the foil sticks firmly. It's a quick and effective way to improve insulation, and it'll help lower your heating bills. Cover your windows with plastic wrap. This simple trick gives it a whole new purpose in your home. While it's commonly used for food storage, plastic wrap can also serve other functions. Take a roll of plastic wrap and spread it across the entire surface of the window pane from the inside. Make sure the wrap is evenly stretched to avoid wrinkles and maintain a neat appearance. Secure the edges of the wrap with adhesive tape. Start at the top edge of the window, carefully taping it to the frame, then move to the bottom and sides. The wrap should be taut, but be careful not to overstretch and damage it. This setup has several benefits. It creates an additional insulating layer on the glass, reducing heat loss from your home. Windows are one of the primary areas where heat escapes during winter, and the wrap helps block the flow of cold air. This can also prevent unsightly condensation and moisture, which often lead to mold growth. Once installed, the difference is noticeable almost immediately. It's a clever way to repurpose something you already have at home for a completely new use.